This is a 12-month warranty. What you see in the middle of the screen, and it's really hard to see, is a broken truss. This guy right here, it's broken in half. What's going to have to happen is a structural engineer will have to come up with a method of repair for this truss, and the workers will have to install a repair in accordance to those drawings. Brand new house, this is a warranty. Do you really think those workers didn't notice that they were installing a broken truss? It's split in half. This was inspected by the city of Myrtle Beach and passed. This is why you get a warranty inspection. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Flue pipe. Okay, this is metal fab flue pipe. It's supported every 4 feet, which is great, except the state code does say pipe must be supported properly and is also backgraded at about 1/2 inch per foot. Isn't that nice? Gas pipe, yeah, it's just kind of laying here. State code says it must be supported. It also says it needs to have a sediment trap installed. Let's see. Okay, no sediment trap. Let's take a closer look what's going on in here. We have some combustible materials in the air handler. By the way, those flames are open to the combustibles. Okay, here, oh, see that little box right? Well, there should be a box right there. There's a housing for a box. I can see the ground. These are live conductors. The black and the white, your hot and your neutral, those are live. It's awfully close to that fan inducer. Could you imagine if those somehow with vibration work their way down to that spinning inducer? There's an enclosure for this. It's missing. All right, what else we got? We got missing sediment trap, combustibles, poorly mounted pipe, flues all messed up. Oh yeah. This is the main drain for your evaporator coil that's located in the air handler. It drains away all the condensation, but this pipe has a sag in it and then it comes back up. So what happens when you install it like that? By the way, this should grade at 1/8 inch per foot and have a support every 4 feet. What happens? This is your secondary drain. When this one clogs up because it's not draining, this one has to fill up about 1/2 inch before it starts to drain. And look what's happening here is we do have water coming out of the pan, the secondary drain pan that's located under the air handler. Well, looks like we got some insulation missing. It's causing condensation. These seals were obviously too much work. Where's the one for the liquid side? I don't even see it. So the suction side, it was just too much work to put that seal back into the air handler. What happens? Cold air comes out, hits the nice hot attic, forms condensation, starts to corrode the auxiliary drain pan. Let's see, what else do we have? I think this is the last one. What's this? That is the cover for the damper control board, which is way over here. It must have been a lot of work for the worker to lift this and put it on there. Now all these electronics are exposed to all the garbage and dust floating around in your attic space. So, 12-month warranty inspection. Everybody says, I don't need to get an inspection. My house was inspected by the city. Well, City of Myrtle Beach, I just want to say congratulations on that. Someone's gonna have to crawl back there and patch that truss. When they do that, all this insulation in here, it's gonna get all jacked up. It's gonna have to get fixed. So please get your house inspected by a qualified home inspector.